I'll be showing you how to set the screen lock type to swipe instead of having a password or a fingerprint or any kind of screen lock. So to do that, simply go to settings. Under settings, go to lock screen and always on display, tap on that, and then go to screen lock type, tap on that, enter your password, and then you want the screen lock type to be swipe, which has 0 security. This is basically like removing any lock screen password that you have. So if you put that, that's going to remove your data, your fingerprints, all that stuff. Okay, and now your screen will be locked just with a swipe. Okay, so to unlock, just swipe. No password, no fingerprint, no face unlock, nothing. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.